Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone supports personal hotspot, and you have a Lightning to Ethernet adapter or a computer that will bridge the connection. Enable personal hotspot in settings. Make sure cellular data is on so the phone can share internet. Once done, plug the adapter into the iPhone and connect the Ethernet cable to the target device or adapter. This first step creates the physical pathway. You're now ready to configure the device to use that connection explicitly. Next, you configure bridging so the phone's internet travels over Ethernet. On a Mac, go to System Settings Network, select the iPhone USB interface and share it to the Ethernet adapter. Set IP4 to DHCP. On Windows, open Network Connections, right-click the iPhone network, choose Properties Sharing, and enable sharing to the Ethernet adapter. If connecting to a router, use its USB tether support or set the router's WAN to obtain IP from the phone. Make sure to finish, verify the Ethernet device has an IP and gateway assigned and test a website or ping a public DNS. If there's no internet, make sure personal hotspot is active, then toggle it off and on, unplug and reseat the adapter and cables. Once tried, reboot the phone and target device if needed. If problems persist, switch to direct USB tethering or swap adapters and cables. Bad hardware is a common culprit. That one troubleshooting tip usually resolves stubborn connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.